Let's see how to work in channels in Microsoft Teams. First, head to the Teams tab on the left. You'll see all of your teams there listed. Each team is like a house, and inside that house are different channels, which are like rooms where specific conversations and work happen. By default, every team has a general channel, but you can always add more. So let's say that you want to start a discussion in a channel. Just click the channel, then go down here where it says start a new conversation, and then type in your message. Once you're done typing it in, hit enter, and it's posted for everyone in the channel to see. To keep things organized, always reply to existing conversations instead of starting new ones. Just hit reply under the message you want to respond to. If you need a space for sensitive discussions, you can create a private channel by clicking the three-dot menu next to the team and selecting Add Channel. Just set the privacy to private, invite only specific members, and then you're good to go. And that's how to work in channels in Microsoft Teams. See you soon!